Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove shipping calculate at Shopify checkout page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to add a product. For example, I'm going to add this product. So one thing I want to share in here, this store file to DOM theme and it's highly customized by me. So if you need any customization or any professional Shopify online store, then you can contact with me. Okay, so let's go back the main tutorials. So going to click on this product, then click on the add to cart, go to the view cart. Okay, and you see here is the tax, discount and shipping calculate at checkout. So we wanted to remove it. Okay, so to remove it you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Before that, copy this text, then go back. Here's my Shopify admin panel, then click on online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit default theme content, and then search with this text. You see in the cart section, just copy all the text and remove, and finally click on the save, and then go back the cart page, then reload. Wow, you see this text has been removed. So easy and simple. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.